Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. This part of video shows how computers show when there is no TPM. Method number 1 to check your TPM is press Windows key and R key together to bring this run window. Type tpm.msc. It should open the Trusted Platform Module Management Console. It is shown that compatible Trusted Platform Module TPM cannot be found on this computer. If your PC has the same message, then it means that the PC has no TPM. But if it also says that verify this computer has a 1.2 TPM or later and it is turned on and in the BIOS, then it means this PC has a TPM installed but it is disabled. The second way to find out whether your PC has TPM installed or not is search for PowerShell. Run PowerShell as an administrator. And type the command get TPM. And the result is displayed. TPM present is false. TPM ready is also false. TPM enabled is false. TPM activated is false. All these entries are false. It means that there is no TPM installed or it is disabled. The third method is go to the device manager by typing dvmgmt.mse in the run window. The device manager console will open. And look for TPM in the area where the device starts with letter S. It should be somewhere after software devices. I cannot see it, which means there is no TPM. The final method is go to setting. Then update and security. Then Windows Security. And then open Windows Security button. On the left side panel, click on Device Security. I cannot see any device, it means that TPM is not installed. Now in this section we would know how to enable TPM if your PC has TPM installed and it is disabled. BIOS settings might be different than this PC. Check your PC vendor for that. In this case, go to BIOS setting. Click on Security. And then click on TPM Security. You can see this is deactivated. In order to activate TPM, I have to click on Activate. And along with that I have 5 more entries. At least check TPM Security and TPM ACPI support. And click on Apply. Now let us see PC settings when TPM is enabled or when your PC has TPM installed again. The first method is open your run window by pressing Windows key plus R key on keyboard. Type tpm.msc. And you should see Trusted Platform Module Management Console on this PC. This time you know it is different. You can see in the status area that TPM is ready to use. TPM version is 1.2. The second method is right-click PC. Click on Manage. Go to Device Manager. And this time you can see there is a new entry called Security Devices and there is a Trusted Platform Module 1.2. Although Microsoft recommends you to install Windows 11 with the TPM higher than 2.0. Go to the Properties. Click on the General tab. And the TPM version is 1.2. To confirm TPM, another way is open PowerShell as an administrator. And type the command get TPM. TPM present is true. This time TPM ready enabled activated. These entries true, which mean TPM is installed. The final method is go to setting of the PC. Click on Update and Security. Windows Security. Open Windows Security. And then Device Security. You can see there is a security processor entry. If you click on Security Processor Details, you can see who is the manufacturer of this TPM and what is the version. It is 1.2. Thank you for being with us.